Hello, this is the Challenger 337 motorhome, which will come at a price of €76,000 and 719 centimeters long, 235 centimeters wide. What's interesting about this is that it's on a Ford, 292 meters in height, standing height inside, 211 centimeters. It's absolutely great for your pet giraffe. And what I did also want to show you about this vehicle though is this front, this sofa bed, which comes at, not a sofa bed, it's a sofa which works in any motorhome, it would seem. The colours might match up, but if you bought it with the van, then they will. Anyway, that's an extra you can get from the company with the sofas. But let's now have a look at the rest of the motorhome. The sofas really do appeal to me. Now, come to the back. Let's have a look. We've got here German layout at the back, and what you can do, you can see that bit of wood there on the bed that fits in here. That bit here goes on top of it, and it gives you an enormous bed. You've got storage below and storage below on this side as well, and storage in the steps going up to the bed. Storage at the back, skylight at the back, windows on either side, and there's a bit of storage there beside the window. That is quite a large container, because your feet possibly are down here, so it won't get in your way. If your feet is above your feet, then it's not a problem. If it's above your head, then it might be. To close the bed bit off from the living area, just pull that thing there across. In here we've got a toilet. We can close the door here somewhere. There you go, there's the bathroom. And yeah, quite nice. Right, and coming out into here, we have got, on my left side there is the kitchen, 2 burners and a sink. Bit of storage below, and on the other side we find also a fridge. Television goes up there, and there's somewhere to keep more things should you so want. Now, coming back into this sofa lounge, I think that looks really good, and it really does increase the amount of space you've got. You obviously got 2 chairs at the front, but this is on a it packs up, and when you get to wherever you go, you set it up. Keep the sofa in the lounge. Anyway, hopefully I'll get one of them to show you how it works, but in my opinion that really looks neat. And this is a semi-integrated motorhome, so it's not just for integrated motorhomes. Anyway, just before I clear off, we'll have a look at that. There's your storage up there, there's your storage there, which is wasted. It's not really storage. There is a bit of a ledge. See, there's a ledge there. Can you see that? See how far I put my hand down? So there is a ledge, so things will go up there, but you're gonna have to be tall to actually get them out. And obviously you can actually put things up here. You can see there's big cushions all going up there, so there's quite a lot of space there. Nice big panoramic window over the driver's seat. And there's a big table here as well. Oh, there's a queue here. Let's come out. Rear end, we've got a garage, and the door to the other side, not as big as this, but it's a pretty big garage. Get 150 kilos or thereabouts in there. And there's the vehicle from the other side. It's the 337 GA Graphite Ultimate 170 automatic engine on the Ford. Right, if you found that interesting, you might want to subscribe. Got lots of vehicles and equipment, and I wanted to show you the lounge layout there. So upload every day at 21:15 my time. I'm in Poland or Germany or Italy as a rule, and if you're in the UK, it'll be at 20:15. So thanks for watching. All the best from me in Germany.